Our Ocean Sotheby's International Realty Spotlight is 85289 Old Highway, located in Islamorada. Now this home is truly exceptional. It has been totally renovated, offers over an acre of land, 200 feet of dockage, a spectacular pool, and so much more. Pierre, what another amazing listing. I mean, this home is so modern, so classic. They did an amazing job on the renovation.
Yes, we're blessed to have some amazing properties in Islamorada. So this is called the Blue Harbor, and this one is interesting because it was originally built in the 80s, but the sellers made an incredible renovation. They obviously built that brand new pool that is amazing. But everything is completely new impact windows, new roof, new electric. It's basically a new house, but the architecture was already in place.
It is such an amazing property, and there is a lot of land here, over an acre.
Over an acre, and this very unique boat basin. You know, in the ocean, it's not always easy to find good, secure dockage. This is a marina for multiple boats, and it's pretty exceptional.
And you're in an amazing location here?
We're on Windley Key, which is part of Islamorada. It's very private, very quiet, but still close to all the good restaurants and the nightlife that Islamorada has to offer.
Definitely have to see it in person. Be sure to contact Pierre. You can also check out oceansir.com for more information on this stunning home.